This is a long time coming. Hi guys, welcome to class. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you're watching from. So someone asked me a question a while ago that how do we make the instruments we use for drawing our patterns, okay, on batik. So today I'm here to teach you how to get that done. So you get yourself a block of foam, okay. You can even get two fabrics out of this. Yes, you can get two brushes out of this by getting this cuts. Yeah, get this cuts. Okay, so we can actually get two from this block. So I'm going to start with one of the blocks, okay. So basically just start cutting. You have to use a sharp scissors, otherwise your your fingers will hurt you, so even with this scissors being sharp, there's still a little bit of pain, but it's bearable as opposed to if your scissors is not sharp. So from the bottom you just start cutting upwards, okay. From the bottom, take note, I'm not cutting from the real base, I'm just going from the bottom, anywhere around the bottom, but not the base itself, okay. So if you see the base, our base is still very much intact. So I'm just cutting from the bottom, from around the bottom, from anywhere around the bottom, and I'm narrowing it to the top. And the smaller it gets, I now start focusing only around the tip. If I want this to be smaller around the bottom, maybe so that it's easily held in my hand, I can reduce this. Yes, you can reduce this to be rounded, okay. Can reduce this to be rounded if you so want, but for me it's okay either way. What's important is the tip, which we're yet to achieve. Just want to round off on that bottom. So this, you don't throw this away. You can use this to fill up your foams, your throw pillows, you can even use it to light a fire. So we use it for all of the things I just mentioned. So now at the tip, you get to make this really smooth. You get to make this smooth, not perfect, just get it to be pointed and then balanced, okay. So you get to be pointed and balanced at the same time. Yeah, so, and there you have it. We're almost done in less than 10 minutes, right? In less than 5 minutes. Done. See? In less than 5 minutes. So what's left is just for you to just perfect it. Just make it smooth so that it feels good in your hand when you're holding it. So there you have it. So our tip, you can see our tip is sharp, pointed. So that's our tip. So you dip into your wax, right? And then you start drawing your designs and doing your write-up. So there you have it, guys, your batik pencil. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.